In this video, I'm going to reveal to you a very simple way to get your audience to give you their email address whenever you're doing public speaking, so that you can grow your business and further help the people that you are speaking to. Hi, this is Tom Jackobs. This channel is specifically for solopreneurs, solo practitioners who want to increase their presentation skills so that they create a performance, which ultimately leads to more profits in their business. So let's get right into it. One of my favorite topics is public speaking and ultimately selling from the stage, because really the only reason that you would do public speaking is to build your business and build your brand. Now, one thing that I always struggled with when I was doing public speaking was understanding what the next step was. I just wanted to give out information, which maybe that's you too, that you just want to share some information with people and get them to take an action. Well, what about building your business off the back end of you doing public speaking? Well, that is the ideal, right? Is that you do public speaking, you get new clients. But what's an elegant way to get people to ultimately give you their email address so that you can further market to them? Now, you can always do the whole, give me your email address, I'll spam you. But of course, people aren't going to like that. They're not going to respond to that very well. So one thing that I've done that has worked really, really well for me is at the beginning of the presentation, of course, I thank people for coming, share my personal story with them, and then let them know that I've put together a package of the notes from the presentation, the slide deck that I'm using, so that they can be fully present during the presentation. They don't need to take notes. I've already done that for you. And at the end of the presentation, you can get that. All you need to do is scan this QR code, give me your email address, and I'll email that over to you. And that actually is a very simple, and I would consider that fairly elegant way of getting people to give you their email address, because it's not just, you're just not asking for it. You're going to give some value for them giving you their email address and trusting you that you're not going to spam them, give their email address out to other people, and do the weird things that people do with email addresses. But ultimately, now that you have their email address, you can put them into a sequence where you're further educating them on what you do and ultimately asking them to take an action, which might be to book a discovery call with you, or to download a free report, or to purchase a product as well. Every time that you do a presentation, whether it's to one person or to 1,000 people, it's really important that you are gathering their information so that you can further market to them. So try this little technique that I just given you and let me know how it works out for you. Put some comments down below. And by the way, I've put together another video that I think that you're going to absolutely enjoy. So click on that video now, watch that, and until next time, you have a great day.